Hey boys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to gradient your text in Pixlr E. So what you want to do is hop over on the Pixlr E's website, go create an image on whatever size you want. So I'm going to go create. Then what we want to do is create some text here. Oh, and then you go to add text. We're going to do like and sub. So this can be however many words you want, however long you want it. It can be any text, any size. So any size, so I'll just make it bigger so you guys can see. What you want to do here is make sure you have this highlighted, selected, and then you want to go over here to layer. You want to go to rasterize text/element. This will pretty much make it so you can't edit the text anymore, so it's like a picture sort of, but it's still like text obviously. So what you want to do, highlight that. Now go over to select pixels. This will bring like a dotted line over all the words. It selects it. Then what you want to do now, go down here to gradient, and then go up here, select whatever color you want. There's a ton of presets, but you can set it here as well. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how to set a certain preset. So now let's just do this blue one. So what you want to do, click and drag like this, or however, whatever direction you want it, let go, and bam, now you got an outline. For my regular subscribers, let me know what you guys think of these videos, and if you're new, please like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.